Morning, everyone. Frosty morning. We continue learning Russian alphabet, and we already learned 4 letters, 4 simple vowels: a, o, u, I, and today we are learning the letter I. I is maybe one of the most difficult letters to pronounce. I is a little bit similar to the letter E. So let's look at the picture. I'm gonna draw a picture. Not here. So the sound E we pronounce here. E. Not very low. And the sound I we pronounce I here. So it's a little bit lower in throat. So it's a difference between I and I. We don't have any word in Russian language that starts with I. This letter we see in the middle of words or at the end. So let's look at the example. The most easy word is мы. Мы is we in English. Usually for transliteration, people use Y to show I. It may confuse beginners, and they will try to pronounce I like E or something else. So мы is we. And let's look at another example. Yes. Here I is stressed. Мы. And let's look at the example where мы is not stressed. It's so difficult. Риби. Риби is the plural form of fish. One is риба. Риба. And we see and stress here also in the first I, and second one is not stressed, and we pronounce the both same way. Риби. Риби. Риба one and риби several.